I wanted to go a little further in depth on this Voxelab Aquila D1. How I said this is for a beginner printer. I mean, for the most part, yes, beginner, but I say that because it's not so open sourced. This isn't the type of printer that an experienced veteran would buy to modify. For one, it doesn't really need anything modified. It's pretty good as is. And for two, it wouldn't be so easy. The Voxelab touchscreen, the Voxelab firmware, and the Voxelab motherboard are pretty much a one-off. You're not going to just swap anything in there. On the other side, though, the motherboard has ferrule tip wires coming in and or plugs, so everything is as far as I would consider pretty fire safe. It's how I would fix any of these printers. I have actually taken open every one of these printers and ferrule tipped the wires and etc. to fireproof them a little bit. This one, not even necessary. I've bought in PEI beds. Again, not necessary for this. It's great as is. For not only a beginner, but for somebody who just wants to use the printer. Those linear rails are fast and smooth. The self-leveling is just awesome. And I've been using Voxelmaker to slice for this too, and Voxelmaker has come a long ways. It is actually a good slicer. So yeah, I highly recommend this for beginner and or experienced printer, but not so much for somebody who wants to modify a printer. This is not one that you're gonna grab and change things out on. It is kind of one-off. But yeah, Voxelab Aquila D1, and I've been loving it.